Hello and welcome guys. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video we will be discussing around Colorbox. Colorbox is something you can use this jQuery plugin as a pop-up. Whenever you require a pop-up, like if you require in your normal HTML page, yeah, any web page, yeah, you require any pop-up in Moodle, then you can use this Colorbox. The benefit of using this Colorbox is you can use normal text in your pop-up. You can also directly use an page, entire page in this color box pop-up, so that everything you have added your code, it will be working fine when you use uh, your page, yeah, URL inside this color box. So let's begin with that, how you can use that. So I am already here on the git URL, github of colorbox. You can see here. You will also find this URL inside the description of this video, and from here you can download. Let me download this zip file. You can also take a clone if you are using GitHub. So here, let me extract this one. So here you can see I have extracted this one, and after coming inside you will see some example. So let me open the example one, and you can open this index.html inside a browser, and you can see different example here. Okay, you can use previous or next key to switch between the examples. Okay? So these are 1 to 3 elastic. So now if you want to use your complete page, so in this case you can use this one. You see here a complete page URL is being used. Currently you see it is not loading because the page URL is not working for me. So here you can see it is directly giving the URL of YouTube link. So it will be load like this. You can close here. You can also style as per your need, like if you don't want this button, yeah, you want this closing button on top of video, currently it is coming on the bottom, you can also do that. So let me open this one, flash video iframe direct link to. You can also see here, you can also put the message here. You can also style using your CSS, top down left right, you can make it. But if you want to use direct URL, a running URL, you can click here. You can see it is coming from a page and it is loading the get URL, you say. Okay, you can see here outside web page, that means URL of Wikipedia. You see it is loading. And how you can use inside the code, so come to this page and open in an editor. Let me open this in BSC and drag and drop here, open. So now you see whichever file is required. You can see here a script will be required, the jQuery one. you, the CSS will be required, that is color box, and the jQuery color box that is given here inside. This one is the CSS, and you will find the JS file, this. Okay, jQuery color box.js. So these are the file required to be included whenever you will be using in your project. And in case of iframe, you have to use only this one. And for the iframe, here is the code. Okay, so try this at your end and let us know in case you have any doubt or query in the comment section of this video. So thank you for watching, and have a great day ahead.